We're in the 80s right now in most of Denton County as well. Now, Denton, you're at 77, but it's lower 80s in Flower Mound, Louisville, 80 in Argyle. And hour by hour, again, quick climb in temperatures back into the triple digits. So the place to be is indoors with the air conditioning, either in your home, maybe a trip to the museum, or maybe it's a day for the movies. 102, the expected high today. Southeast winds between 5 and 12 miles per hour. And it's been very dry here recently. We had a couple of large fires yesterday. One is still burning in Palo Pinto County. Total rainfall, about 4 inches of rain, but this was from April through the month of June. So a 3-month total of almost 4 inches of rain. That's the second driest April through June on record. So no wonder the ground is primed for grass fires. Even if the wind is not terribly strong today, we have so high of temperatures and the humidity are lower that we're going to be looking at that grass fire danger still pretty high west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And if that wasn't enough, we also have a lot of haze in the sky because of Saharan dust. Talked a little bit about this past few days. This dust really came all the way over from Africa across the Atlantic and made it into North Texas skies over the past few days. And it may be the reason why your eyes are watering or you have a sore throat. The dust particles in the air can be irritating. And that's going to be with us again today as well. And then we get up to 102. So this is why I'm saying air conditioning indoors is the best idea. Now, as we get into tomorrow, we're not looking at as high of temperatures, but the humidity goes up for the 4th of July, and we'll have isolated showers. Most of them will be south of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Just a 20% chance of rain in the Metroplex for the 4th of July. It's just hot and humid on Thursday, but at least it's not triple-digit heat with temperatures staying in the 90s. If you're watching fireworks displays in Fort Worth tomorrow evening, we're looking at decent weather. Again, an isolated shower or two, but I really don't think too many of us will see showers and storms for the 4th of July. And as we get toward 9, 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow night, temperatures should be into the middle 80s. Here's a look at the forecast then. 102. Today is the last triple-digit day we'll have this week. Tomorrow's high 96 with a 20% chance of rain. If you live south of the Metroplex, you have a slightly better chance of some rain tomorrow, but really do think most of us are going to be okay for the 4th. Just a 10% chance of rain Thursday, but look at the rain chances go back up to maybe as high as 40% coverage on Saturday, with highs this weekend in the lower to mid 90s.
At least there'll be a little break from the heat. All right, Jeff, thanks.